Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create an Uber Eats delivery account in the UK. Let's begin. First, download and open the Uber Eats app on your mobile phone. Start the sign-up process by providing your personal details. During this step, you'll need to select the vehicle you plan to use as a courier. Next, submit the required documents based on the vehicle you chose. Make sure the images are clear, all text is readable, and all four corners of the documents are visible. Once you've submitted your documents, the final step is to undergo a background check. This involves providing additional documents to confirm your right to work and complete a basic disclosure check. Some of these documents may overlap with what you've already submitted. By carefully following these steps and ensuring your documents are clear and complete, you'll be on your way to successfully setting up your Uber Eats delivery account in the UK. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.